而且飞机上吃的也不好，也觉得不满意啊，所以现在已经不太爱坐飞机了。
所以现在已经不太爱坐飞机了。So now I don't really like taking planes anymore. You hear my mom use 不太爱, that literally means not to love. But in English, you can think of it as not really like. For instance, 我不太爱运动 means I don't really like sports, rather than I don't really love sports. Get it? So 不太爱坐飞机 means not really like taking planes. Finally, we have a la at the end of the sentence, which indicates a change of state. For example, 我明白了. Now I understand. In this sentence, we actually see the structure 不 plus do something plus la, which means not do something anymore. Let's try some examples. 我不在那里工作了, or I don't work there anymore. 我不去了, I'm not going anymore. As a side note, when translating 我不去了 to English, some people may think it sounds a little like I didn't go. I didn't go would actually be 我没去. Do remember the differences between using 不 and 没 with a verb. So to recap, when my mom says 也觉得不太满意啊，所以现在已经不太爱坐飞机了, it means I've also been pretty unhappy with it, so now I don't really like taking planes anymore. 我的妈妈的意思是，以前她喜欢坐飞机，但是现在因为她在飞机上睡不好，而且吃的也不好，所以现在她不喜欢坐飞机了。因为从喜欢到不喜欢有一个变化，所以我们用了。
而且飞机上吃的也不好，也觉得不满意啊，所以现在已经不太爱坐飞机了。